Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to flush the power steering fluid. I don't know if you guys saw, but on my last video I went off-roading and I started doing some donuts. I started playing in the dirt for a while. I was pushing the limits pretty much, and I got home and I noticed my power steering pump was making a noise. I forgot to tell you guys, I forgot to show you guys, this is what I'm experiencing right now. And okay, go. The other way, turn. So yeah. Let's see if we can fix it. Yeah. Cut. Okay guys, bad news. I did the flushing and it didn't solve my problem. So now I'm gonna start taking out the power steering pump. Attempt to remove the pump. First we need to take out the belt. And the tensioner, I believe, is the one bolt over there. I remove the reservoir and the bracket, plus I'm gonna remove the hoses too, so I can have more space to remove the pump. After that, there's two connectors, a black one and a gray one. You're gonna remove them. You're also gonna remove the clip from the harness and put it on the side. And this is, now you're gonna wanna remove the high pressure line, and it's held by a 17mm bolt. We already loosened it up, and you just remove it. You remove the bolt and you put the high pressure line on the side, so you can have room to remove the rest of the bolts. Now you remove the tension from the belt counterclockwise. This is one of the bolts that you need to remove. There are a total of 3. Yeah. And after you remove the bolts, you're just gonna pry it out and remove it. So guys, I got a new pump back. I bought it on Amazon for $100. I hope it works. The one from the dealer was 300 plus. I'm just giving it a try. I'm just gonna give it a try. See if it lasts. After you put it back, just make sure you tighten everything. Put back the belt and everything you took out on the reverse order. Don't forget to flush the system again.